What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Necessary Noise, and today is the day of the show. Now, we're going to be going to Stockton in a couple hours, and we are playing at Channel Brewing Company with Stay Out, Violent Obsession, and Kinetic Radio. It's only $10 a ticket, and come early because 5 p.m. is going to be Smokin Yankee's barbecue, and the show actually starts at 7. And we actually went to Stockton yesterday to go do a radio gig. Shouts out to Rise and Shine 209 for having us on the show. That was super awesome. Thanks, Ronne and Marcellus. And you can actually check that out at their Facebook page, or you can even look at the Necessary Noise band page for a live video stream. And also, a couple weeks ago, we actually went to Channel Brewing to go promote the show. So we wanted to show you some footage from that and check out the venue that you should hopefully see tonight at 7 p.m. Check it out. We're here at Stockton at Channel Brewing, and we're handing out flyers for the show, February 24th. Stay Out, Violent Obsession, Kinetic Radio. It's going to be a whole bunch of fun. We're going to be chilling, handing out flyers. Dope. You know what I'm saying? Get some beer? You want to get some beer?
Is there beer?
We are in Chanel Brewing Company. We drink our beer over at Chanel Brewing Company. So y'all should join us and drink beer. You can watch this. Oh, you guys can come over and watch this. And there's this one. There's this show that's going on too. But if you guys want to watch this one, there's this one too. After that show, there's this show. Even still, like after that show, there's this show. If that show isn't playing, you guys can watch this show.
Wow.
It should be in all movie theaters, actually, too. It won't be.
Honestly, it really just
should be, but it won't. We're balling in shows right now.
Balling.
Jacob knows over here, the bartender. Balling in shows.
Jacob's the boy.
Jacob's know how to ball.
There's Jordan out there exploiting his dog to get people to go to the show.
Necessary dog?
For struggling bands out there, dogs actually make the best promotion.
You're gonna cut my voice out, right?
That's up to Jordan.
Oh.
So you might want to talk to him. You already know what it is, man. Bay Area punk rock. Support. If you like good music, good beer, good vibes, good people.